Hi there, I'm Kristen. Here at Portland Home Market, we are committed to giving you monthly market updates. Whether you're interested in buying, selling, or both, we think you'll find some valuable information here. Please like and subscribe to our page to follow along. We'll also be posting a lot of other relevant Portland real estate videos about buying, selling, and exploring our beautiful city. Today, we're going to share with you our May market report. This includes April data that includes all closings and listings from that time period. There's always a little bit of time before the data gets published. Usually by mid-month, we figure out what last month's data looked like. The results are in line with what we expected to see for April data. We knew in looking at March's data, the full impact of COVID-19 was not yet evident, since most of these transactions were based on contracts that were in the pipeline prior to the pandemic. April's numbers confirmed what we already sensed. The market went to a hush at the beginning of the month. While real estate was deemed an essential service, buyers and sellers seemed to hit the pause button, and understandably so. Here's a breakdown of April's activity as compared to the month prior. New listings in April at 2,529 decreased 12.6% from March's 3,256 listings. Pending sales at 2,403 increased by 8.6% compared to March's 2,021 pending sales. Finally, closed sales at 2,823 also increased slightly at 2.2% from March's 2,097 closures. You may be wondering how this April data compared to April of last year, in 2019. New listings were down 34.7% compared to last year. Listings that went pending was down 15.3%, and finally closings were down 12.6%. Anecdotally, during the last week of April and into the first few weeks of May, our Portland Home Market team has seen a resurgence of buyer interest, which is promising, especially when it comes to out-of-state buyers. Our intuition was correct last month. This quarantine has caused people to reassess what they are looking for in a home and in a community. Many are starting to favor less densely populated areas, and some are looking to downsize financially by moving from one state to another more affordable state. We see you, California. Next, let's switch over and look at inventory and total market time. Inventory was at 2.4 months in April, while average total market time decreased to 44 days. So let's talk about what we mean when we say inventory. Using 2.4 months as an example in April, what we're saying is that if we were to stop the market right now, it would take 2.4 months in April for that entire inventory to be depleted. The good news, now is an excellent time to sell because inventory is lower than we've seen in a while. Not a lot of competition with other homes. The bad news is many people are holding back due to COVID-19 concerns, especially if you are still occupying the premises. We're optimistic that we'll see a delayed spring market activity this summer, but only time will tell. As a buyer, this is a tough market to shop in if you're looking for homes below the $400,000 mark. We're seeing the best homes in this price range in multiple offer bidding wars. Once again, we've both, Jarrin and myself, bid on properties over the last weekend where we were up against 10 to 13 different offers. It is a tough time to shop. Let's shift our focus now to year-to-date summary for all of Oregon. So looking beyond Portland, we don't see as large of a 2019 to 2020 dip when we compare the first 4 months of the year of 2020 to the same period during 2019. New listings were at 11,950, which decreased significantly by 10%. Pending sales at 8,835 decreased 10.4%, and closed sales at 8,160 increased by 2.9%. It's no secret that Portland is one of the most active markets within Oregon, so it makes sense to us that we'd be hit a little harder than the other communities surrounding us. Next up, let's talk about sales prices. So average median sale prices, when comparing 2020 to 2019 through the month of April, the average sale prices increased 4.3% from $445,900 to $465,200 within the same comparison. The median sale prices increased 3.9% from $399,600 to $415,100. This confirms what we've been seeing when it comes to offer activity on homes listed before that $400,000 mark that I mentioned earlier. All right, next we're going to just talk about what total inventory of homes looks like from a seller perspective. So we're going to break this down into 4 25% segments. So the first one being median value of your home being over $965,000. You're in the luxury market. Your average property is 3,728 square feet on over a quarter-acre lot. You likely have 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, and the average time to sell your home in Portland right now is around 129 days. The next segment for our homes between $550,000 up to that $900,000 mark. Your current median price is $639,250 right now. Your property is 2,663 square feet on a 0.11 acre lot. You have 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and the average time to sell your home in Portland is right around 86 days. The next segment for homes under $550,000, you are at the median price of $469,900. Your property is 2,055 square feet on a 0.11 acre lot. You have 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, and the average time to sell your home in Portland right now is around 66 days, so you're faring the best. Finally, all homes under $400,000. Your current median price is $339,900. Your property is 1,386 square feet on a 0.11 acre lot. You have 3 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom. The average time to sell your home in Portland right now is around 73 days. Why is that a little higher than the next tier up? That's because this segment contains many fixer homes, short sales, and foreclosure properties that just take longer to sell. And just a little disclaimer here. So I know that 60, 70 days on the market sounds like a lot. Keep in mind, these are averages. If your home is priced well, if you are right there in line with market, you're going to see significantly less time to sell your home. All right, finally, let's talk about condos. If you own a luxury condo in Portland, we're going to talk a little bit about comparison of January 2017 to today's values. So on average, if you bought in 2017, your unit may have lost on average $150,000 in value, or almost 15%. So in 2017, median price was around $759,000 for a luxury condo. Today, for a luxury condo, you're looking at about $759,000 compared to 2017, where it was at $889,000. If you're in the next tier down, in May of 2017, your price peaked at $571,000, and it's now down to $465,000 with a loss of around $106,000, or about 19% in value. If your condo is in the bottom half of Portland prices, then your value has stayed stable over the last few years, seeing almost zero appreciation or depreciation, and we expect this to continue through 2020. So the main question on your mind is probably, is now a good time to buy in Portland? And we're going to say yes, but you also have to consider the following. Number one, interest rates are super low right now. Get in touch with your banker, get in touch with a mortgage broker, find out what you qualify for. You might be surprised. Number two, if you're buying in the bottom 50% of home prices, that $550,000 tier and below, you're likely to see appreciation occur for you the next few years. The Portland real estate market on a whole is still very healthy due to low unemployment rate, low interest rates, and a strong Oregon economy, not to mention the fact that we have neighbors along the West Coast whose home prices will likely always be higher than ours, making us a very attractive, affordable market in their minds. Realistically, it's hard to imagine that the bottom 25% of housing prices in Portland will slump, even through a recession. There still remains a strong demand for reasonably priced housing, and tons of renters in Portland will continue to become first-time homeowners. So yes, you should buy a home in Portland in 2020, but buy smart, and that's where we can help you. Next, we're going to talk to homeowners, for those of you out there that might be considering a change. For some, it might be a really good idea to move and sell your higher priced Portland home and then purchase a lower priced property, especially if, let's say, you're in an empty nesting situation, because the housing segment will continue to remain more stable. We strongly believe that housing continues to be a fantastic long-term investment, and it matters less when you go into the market. What matters is how long you stay and hold on to your property. I'm sure we can all agree that renting is practically throwing your money out the window, or in any case, maybe paying your landlord's mortgage. Even in a flat or slightly depreciating market, a long-term homeowner is likely in a better place than a long-term renter, financially speaking. We look forward to seeing how the May data plays out, which will be released mid-June. Until then, stay safe. We hope to hear from you. Do you have any questions? We'd love to address them. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this page for more videos like this one. We love hearing from you. You can find all of our contact information below. Until next time, have a wonderful day.